Hey everybody, Sarah here, back with another plan with me. Yes, we're in February, beautiful pink colors, which of course, that means I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day kind of kits. So, first up is going to be one that's not too Valentine's, it's just floral. And it's this beautiful pink floral one from Paper Honey. She's one of my new favorites in terms of horizontal kits. I think I'm guessing that she does the shop more part-time because I think that checking up on her group, she kind of like pops in and out sometimes. So hopefully I will be able to get more from her, but I already stocked up on a bunch of her kits, so I'm pretty much like ready to go. Anyway, we'll just get started. So she does like full cover for the headers, and then she's got the washi is a thicker washi as well, and she uses like a premium mat, so it's really soft. Buttery smooth. And then I just gotta make sure I do these correctly. Okay, yeah, just the placement of the header and make sure that's done correctly. So we wanna cover, I'm gonna go ahead and cover the top washi with this. This is how it's kinda cool. Okay. So in terms of the shop, nothing new. I've had a really unproductive time with the shop for like probably the last 2 weeks almost, maybe. It's like every time I get a plan going, I've got so much going on in my head that I don't seem to just get anything done. So this weekend I'm going to spend some time just getting my brain cleared out and making sure that that I just get to it and get things started with that. So that sheet's pretty much done with. Put that aside. We've got our full boxes. They're so pretty. There's gonna be so many flowers on here. It's gonna be all flowers all the time. Oh yes. You could also not do the washi if you wanted. That would work pretty well too. I think the colors match decently. But let's give this a try. It'll have a bit of a different look than my typical spreads then, because I always seem to do a dark washi all the way across. So, I don't remember, I must have said, yeah, I must have said that I was going, I know kind of when I'm going to Seattle. At least I know that that's when, at this point that's the plan to leave this apartment at least. I don't know whether it officially means I'll be in Seattle or not at the exact time. Who knows? That'll get figured out closer to the day. Still gotta get the whole apartment dealt with, get rid of everything, sell off some stuff, figure out, I think I've pretty much figured out the plan work-wise, that I just need to, I'm gonna have to travel up to Canada all the time, so that's fun, but I mean, you do what you gotta do. So don't really know what will happen with the shop then in terms of how often stuff launches, because I'll have to figure all that out. it'll probably be like, I'll probably have to like, once I get a better computer, I can at least work a little faster and just like get stuff done faster, because right now I'm using a Windows machine that I don't really prefer. I prefer Mac, but whatever. But it's 2 or 3 years old now. I think it might be 3 years old now. So it's really chugging on the programs I use, which are pretty intense programs. And so I'm video editing, I'm doing graphic design, and also the software for cutting the stickers as well takes up a lot of memory on the day-to-day. So it's just barely getting by without completely dying. It's a miracle that it's still actually working. Okay, knock on particle board. But yeah, so once I get a new computer later in the year, hopefully that will be smoother. And then we'll see with the shop how things go, because my sister will be still cutting all the stickers and all that, so at least that can still happen. It's just how often we do weekly kits, or maybe we'll just find that we can't really do weekly kits anymore, or that we have to get rid of some of the formats and just keep horizontal and vertical or something. At this point, Plum Planner is not that popular that I would lose a lot of sales, and even Happy Planner is not that popular that I would lose a lot of sales if I did do that. So I'm not super worried if I did have to do that. At least it would just make things a little speedier. I have had them for like a year, so I should probably go check the stats and see what kind of sales they've had and see who's using them, because I hate to take it away if it's someone that has been a regular at the shop that is using that format. Then I hate to kind of take away that format. But the problem is you can't please everybody, because it takes a lot of work to get all 4 formats done. But anyway, in terms of like the half boxes, do one on a Thursday, of course. And then let's see, I don't think anything else major is planned. I think that I'll try to launch some kits on the Monday. Launch seems to work better because I seem to actually do it then. So I do it the week before and then I launch it on the Monday. And then let me just check. I just did my monthly plan and there's not really a lot in there yet. So other than Productivity Sunday, so that also needs a half box of its own. And what else can we do? I think that we could probably do some lists down here, but I don't know if I will. We do have meal plans. I don't think I need to do the meal plans. We've got email, we got cameras, we got TV shows. I can put that down on the Saturday, I think. I think Saturday probably works out best, but I don't know if it's Saturday or Friday that we end up watching RuPaul's Drag Race, so I'll put that on there. And I don't think there's any bills due this week. Payday is Monday, so I can put that in here. Just put it up right beside that. And I think that's kind of the main things. Let's see. Do laundry day is usually on Monday, so I'm gonna put that directly on here. Can take out 2 checklists, that's fine. And I mean, every day is cleaning day, so yeah, I think other than that, that's probably good enough for now. So I will do some pen and make sure I put February up here, and then we'll see if there's any kind of deco that we want to use as well. Okay, I've got most of my pen down, so we'll do a few stickers. Not too many though, because this is fairly busy, so we don't want to go too crazy. But for the 79 days to Seattle, I'm going to use one of my Croodles, which is like the kind of freaking out one, because that is a really short amount of time. And I feel like there's so much to do, and I don't even know where to get started, so yikes. And then I've got these ones from Sticker Fever for bath time, which also goes on Sunday, but that's okay. That's okay, it works out. And then from Craft Arena, I have, let's see, I've got, I was gonna put like the thinking one for the freebie planning, because I gotta kind of think up some new ideas. So I think I will put that there. Think up some ideas for that. And then that's probably all I need that one for. But I may also want to have I will put this one, the Grumpy Craft Arena one, beside bookkeeping, because I don't look forward to this at all. And then I've got from the kit, I've got my planner to go beside the Plan With Me. And there will be a giveaway on this channel in a video coming up soon, so be sure to check that out. I believe it will be the Trillia unboxing one that I'll have a giveaway in. So make sure you check it out. And other than that, I'm gonna put, no, I don't need to put anything there. I'm just gonna leave it at that and keep it kind of simple with the deco stickers wise, just because there's a lot going on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this Plan With Me. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't, like this video if you liked it, and comment below if you've used Paper Honey's kits before, or if you have any other comments, questions, anything like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!